Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and I just collected the brand new 2026 BMW M2 CS. This is going to be quick first impressions. I only drove this car about 4 miles to get to this location, and I'll have it for around 5 or 6 days. And next week, probably next Monday, you'll get a full review of this car. So ask any questions you may have. Now, this car, as equipped, is just over $108,000. It's got about 50 horsepower more than your standard M2. It's still got the twin turbo 6, but here it produces 530 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. BMW claims if you can get traction down in this car, because it's rear drive, unlike the M4 CS. M4 CS was my car of the year last year. I love that car. All-wheel drive. This car is a little bit lighter, about 130 pounds lighter. It's still 3,700 pounds, but you have 530 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. As equipped, again, 108,500, I believe. I want you to ask you a couple questions, guys, and leave in the comments. First of all, what is the color of this car? BMW has a lot of cool gray colors, and this is one of them. So what's the color of this car? And this car only has one option. So what is it? Is it, and leave your guess in the comment below, 2 separate comments, color and option. Is it the carbon fiber roof? Is it these wheels? Is it the ceramic brakes? Is it a carbon fiber package? Is it the remote start? Yes, this car has remote start. Or is it these carbon buckets? Which one is not standard? Now, the CS only comes with an automatic transmission, but it's fantastic. Maybe like a new Porsche PDK is better, but this is much better than the DCT and the old M2. And if you remember, 10 years ago, I started my channel with my 2016 M2 manual, stick shift, Long Beach Blue with the executive package. That was a fantastic car. I had a 1M at the same time. Like, one of the first videos I ever made was the M2 versus the 1M. It's not a great video, but check it out. Now, the M2 looks, let me know in the comments what you think of the looks. They've grown on me. At first, I didn't like it, but it looks a lot better in person than on video. So what I would tell you to do is go to BMW Cars and Coffee, go to your local BMW dealer. I think this car looks a lot better in person. It's still over 3,700 pounds, even though it is rear drive only. And we got a powerful car, because the CS isn't much. CS M4, which was my favorite car that I drove last year, weighs 130 pounds more than this, but it only has 20 horsepower more. But BMW claims for that car is 0 to 60 of 3.1 seconds. And the reality of that is the all-wheel drive, put in the traction. So in the 4 miles I've driven this car so far, it is definitely traction limited. But you know what? This makes a lot more fun. And I have, last year I did a Voodoo Blue regular M2, and it makes a huge difference, let me tell you. This car is just so much more nimble, and I prefer the 2 Series over, and the M2 over the 3 and 4, because it's just a more nimble car. All right, guys, so subscribe, hit the notification bell. We have over 1,500 videos on YouTube, 1,500. Whether it's your favorite Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren, BMW M car, or Porsche, I've driven them, and I've owned a bunch of those too. And I let you know what it's like to live with these cars, what it costs, what I buy them for, what I sell them for, full transparency. So let me know 3 things in this video. Which is the one option this car has? What color gray? And, Glenn forgot the 3rd one. But this is going to be a fantastic car. So remember, we do a full video every Monday, YouTube shorts 7 days a week. So there's probably some shorts. If you look at my shorts right now, it's all free, as long as you just subscribe and hit that notification bell. All right, guys, full video next week. Let me know what you think of this car, and let me know your questions on this car below, and I will answer them, each and every one. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.